Well, a box came today that I suspect are the rings I bought to put these gold selling companies to the test. Let's open it up and see what we got. Two little jewelry boxes, like the invoice. Oh, how nice. Come in little bags. Well, there it is. One little gold band. It's 2mm. And a second 2mm gold band that is supposed to be identical. Well, let's get the test stuff, put them to the test before we send them out. Well, here we have the two identical, or hopefully identical, gold rings that we ordered online to put these gold buyers to the test. Let's do some quick tests to make sure we have identical rings. These are supposed to be 2mm bands, so that one is 2.18, so it is at least as big as advertised, and this one is 2.06, so it's also as big as advertised, so that's good. Now, the gold buyers don't care what the measurement of the band is. What they're going to care about is how much they weigh in grams. So let's look at them on a gram scale. We'll zero that out. Alright. Ring number 1. 1.80. Okay. And ring number 2. Let's get that to zero out. 1.81. So they are within 1/100th of a gram of being the exact same weight. That's awesome. Now, the other important thing is how pure they are. These were advertised as 14 karat gold. And if you look at the other video we made on testing gold, you'll see how we test gold. Let's get that test kit out and find out how pure these are. Okay, I got out the gold testing acids, and since they're acids, I put down this piece of newspaper. And if you want to understand how this process works, you should watch the other video, but in general, it's pretty easy. There's a 10 karat gold acid, a 14 karat gold acid, and an 18 karat gold acid. Now these are supposedly 14 karat gold rings. So if I put a 10 karat gold acid on those rings, there should be no color change. And a 14 karat gold acid, which is equivalent to what the rings are supposed to be, should have little or no color change. But an 18 karat gold acid, which is higher than the rings are, will turn red and will be quite obvious that these are not 18 karat gold. So quickly, we just need to rub just a teeny bit of the surface off to make sure that it's clean and has a clear space for the acid to touch. Let's try 10 karat gold acid. That is still crystal clear, no color change whatsoever. Let's try the 14 karat gold acid. It's also still crystal clear. Now this should have a definitive color change because it is 18 karat gold acid. Ooh, it just turned dark. You can clearly see that that is telling us that this acid, or excuse me, that this ring is less than 18 karat gold. So it must be 14 karat, just like we thought. Try the other one real quick. I'm just scratching any surface tarnish off there, not scratching any of the gold off. Let's go for the 14 karat gold acid. Yeah, no color change. 18 karat gold. Yeah, dark red, brown almost immediately. So, 14 karat gold as advertised. To put the gold buyers to the test, we ordered 2 identical 14 karat gold rings. And after our measurements, we found out that they do seem to be identical. Now, we did scrape a little bit off the surface when we tested it with the acid, so let's make sure that they are still both identical in weight. Zero the scale. Ring number 1. 1.78. Ring number 2. 1.79 up, 1.80. So they're both within 0.02 of a gram of being identical. They both lost about 1 to 0.02 of a gram in the testing. But these are still virtually identical rings, and now we can work on putting the gold buyers to the test.